Cranberry juice, a refreshing drink that helps lower blood pressure and clean arteries. Cranberry juice is a refreshing and delicious drink that is packed with health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and contains compounds called proanthocyanidins and flavonoids, which have been shown to improve endothelial function, reduce inflammation, and promote cardiovascular health. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. However, consuming cranberry juice daily for 8 weeks can significantly lower systolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. This is because cranberry juice helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. In addition to lowering blood pressure, cranberry juice can also help clean arteries. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that cranberry juice can reduce the buildup of plaque in arteries, which can lead to heart disease. This is because cranberry juice contains flavonoids, which have been shown to improve endothelial function and reduce inflammation in the body. Cranberry juice is also well known for its ability to prevent and treat urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins in cranberry juice can prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby reducing the risk of infection. Furthermore, cranberry juice can improve digestive health by providing dietary fiber and preventing constipation. It can also promote oral health by preventing bacteria from sticking to the teeth and gums, reducing the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. The antioxidants in cranberry juice can boost the immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. Additionally, cranberry juice can improve skin health by reducing inflammation, preventing acne and other skin conditions, and promoting collagen production. Now that you know the many health benefits of cranberry juice, it's time to make your own at home. Here's a simple recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh or frozen cranberries, 4 cups of water, 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, optional. Instructions: rinse the cranberries under cold water and remove any stems or leaves. In a saucepan, combine the cranberries and water and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cranberries have burst. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher. If desired, stir in honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Refrigerate the cranberry juice for at least 2 hours, or until chilled. Serve the cranberry juice over ice and enjoy. In conclusion, incorporating cranberry juice into your diet can provide many health benefits and improve your overall well-being. By consuming this delicious drink regularly, you can lower your blood pressure, clean your arteries, prevent UTIs, improve your digestive health, promote oral health, boost your immune system, and improve your skin health. However, it is important to remember that cranberry juice should be consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle and should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you have hypertension, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle.